Whether your college bestie is finally tying the knot or your own big date is just around the corner, print-on-demand wedding gifts and merch are a creative and affordable way to celebrate everything from the engagement to the rehearsal dinner, bachelorette party, and beyond. These are also great products to start a whole new collection in case you simply want to offer something different to your existing client base. What is up, Merch Masterminds? It's Carter with Awkward Styles, and in this video, we'll explore 22 print-on-demand wedding gifts and design ideas to get you inspired so you can start offering products your friends, customers, or even yourself will love. Let's get started. Not quite convinced that you should be offering wedding-related products? Well, before we get into the fun and creative ideas, let's explore some statistics that show just how popular weddings are. A 2020 survey reveals that guests spend around $160 on average for wedding presents. This suggests a great opportunity for print-on-demand powered businesses that want to increase their average order value. Furthermore, the market of wedding-related merch was projected to boost up to $68.66 billion this year, a 31% increase from 2022's figures. This is likely due to the fact that, although the COVID-19 pandemic caused a decrease in weddings in 2020, more and more couples are now rescheduling their big days or are finally getting married after having to postpone their nuptials. This is excellent news for anyone in the wedding industry, and it's a great opportunity to start offering products related to weddings if you haven't done so already. With all that being said, let's now explore some fun and creative ideas for print-on-demand wedding gifts and designs. A few weeks or days before the wedding, the bride and her besties will likely want to celebrate with a fun-filled bachelorette party. Apart from celebrating the last days or weeks of singledom, this is also a perfect opportunity for the bride-to-be and her best friends to bond and create memories that will last a lifetime. As such, offering gifts or merch that the bride and her besties can use during the bachelorette party or even on the big day itself is a great idea. Here are a few products you could offer. Personalized bathrobes and loungewear are perfect for slumber party celebrations with some wine, self-care essentials, scented candles, and of course, some delicious snacks. Now that's just a vibe. Your customers or friends can also wear these robes and sweatshirts while they're getting their hair and makeup done on the big day. You can even have the robes personalized with each person's initials or name on the front or back. Another great gift idea for the bride and her besties is customized pillow covers. These make for great decorations during the bachelorette party and can also be used as a comfy addition to the bride's new home. You could design the pillow covers with fun and quirky sayings such as "bride's last fling before the ring" or "the missus is almost here." Friendship bracelets are a classic gift idea that the bride and her lifelong friends will definitely appreciate. You can design the card that comes with each bracelet with some personal messages or inside jokes that only the bride and her besties will understand. This makes for a sentimental and unique gift that they can all cherish for years to come. Of course, the groom and his bros will also want to have a celebration before the big day. Here are some gift and design ideas you could offer for this group. If the groom and his friends are the career-oriented types, then color-changing mugs would make for great gifts. They can use these mugs at work and watch the design change color when hot liquid is added. You could design the mugs with some fun and witty sayings such as "best man in training" or "groom's entourage." For the more laid-back group, wine glasses and holders would be a great gift idea. They can use these at their pre-wedding celebration or even on the big day itself. You could design the wine holders with fun sayings such as "groom's crew" or "best men," or some classic elements like the wedding date or the couple's initials. Men would appreciate a nice piece of jewelry as well, especially if it's something they can wear on the big day. Cufflinks, tie bars, bracelets, and rings are all great choices. You can design these pieces or the cards that go with them with some simple but elegant details like the wedding date or initials. Now, let's move on to some gift and design ideas for the newlyweds. These are perfect for helping the couple starting their new life together while being reminded of their special day. Whether it's a throwback photo of the couple or a song lyric that's special to them, a framed wedding poster is a great gift idea for the newlyweds. They can hang this up in their new home and be reminded of their special day every time they see it. Similar to framed wedding posters, personalized tapestries also make for great decorations in the newlyweds' home. You can be more creative with the design and create illustrations or patterns that are special to the couple. The tapestry could also be used as a makeshift guest book where guests can sign their names and leave messages for the couple. Perfect for the bride and groom's workspace walls, metal prints make for modern and sleek decoration. You could design these prints with photos from the wedding day or with some simple but elegant details like the wedding date or a quote that you think best describes the couple. After the special day, the bride and groom will be spending a lot of their mornings together. And what better way to start the day than with a cup of coffee in custom mugs designed just for them. You could design the mugs with some cute drawings or with the couple's names and wedding dates. Cozy cuddles can be so much sweeter when you're snuggling up in a personalized blanket. This is a great gift idea, especially during the cold winter months. You could design the blankets with the couple's image, a cartoon, or an illustrated version of them, or with some romantic quotes. Finally, let's not forget about the event itself. Whether you're part of the planning team or you simply want to put some personal handcrafted touch to the big day, here are some products you could offer. The vibe and overall look of the wedding should start with the decorations at the ceremony and reception venues. And personalized posters or banners would be a great way to do that. You could design these with the couple's photos, names, and wedding dates, or with some fun and creative elements. The posters could also contain the map of the venue or the schedule of events for the day. For a more subtle and sophisticated look, you could design the napkins and tablecloths with some minimalist but elegant details, like the couple's initials or short phrases used in the invitations and other wedding materials. Backdrops are becoming a popular decoration for weddings as they provide a nice and neat space for couples to take photos with their guests. And you could design these backdrops with some really creative and unique elements that are in line with the theme of the wedding. For example, for a rustic themed wedding, you could design the backdrop with some burlap or lace details. Or for a more modern and sleek wedding, you could design it with some geometric patterns or clean lines. As a final touch, you could also offer some customized ornaments for the guests to take home as souvenirs. These could be designed with the couple's photos or with some more subtle elements like their names and the date of the wedding. Of course, no wedding would be complete without invitations. The key here is to design invitations that are not only visually appealing, but that are also easy to read and understand. You could use different creative fonts and colors, but make sure that they complement each other well and that the overall design reflects the look and feel of the wedding. Have you already decided which products you'll be including in your wedding gifts and merch collection? Well, now's the time to start thinking about the designs. Here are some ideas to get you started. Of course, one of the simplest but most popular designs for wedding gifts and merch is the classic combination of the couple's names and initials with their wedding date. This is a timeless design that can be used for any type of product, from mugs to posters. To make this stand out, the typography should be well designed and the overall layout should be clean and organized. You should also consider the theme of the wedding when choosing the colors and fonts for this design. If you want a more playful and fun yet creative approach, you could use illustrated or hand-drawn images of the couple. This is a great opportunity to show off your drawing skills and provide the guests with a unique and one-of-a-kind gift. When creating this design, make sure that the illustrations are accurate representations of the couple, while also showing your own art style. If you or your customer knows the soon-to-be married couple well, you could also use lines from songs or poetry that are special to them. This is a very personal and sentimental approach that can be used for any type of product, from home decor items to personal gifts such as jewelry and accessories. You can never go wrong with a chic and modern pattern. This is a great design for any type of product, from tapestries to loungewear. When creating this design, make sure that the colors and patterns are well coordinated and that the overall look is clean and polished. You can also include the couple's initials or names in this design for a personal touch. If painting is your forte and you like turning your artwork into digital and product designs, this idea is definitely worth a try. You can create elegant watercolor illustrations of the couple that can be used for a wide range of products, from tote bag giveaways to wedding invitations and posters. You can also add some calligraphy of the couple's names and wedding dates in this design to make it even more special. For a truly unique and one-of-a-kind gift, you could create a design that features a code that leads to a Spotify track or a website with a message for the couple. This is a great design idea for small gifts such as personalized ornaments, pillowcases, and keychains. When creating this design, make sure that the code is scannable and that the message is something that the couple will appreciate. You can also add some visuals to this design to make it more eye-catching. That's a wrap! We hope this video has helped you plan and prepare your very own set of wedding merch and gifts, whether it's for your own wedding or for a client's. Always remember to have fun with the design process and to let your creativity flow. With the right designs, your wedding merch and gifts will definitely be loved and appreciated by all. And if you're looking for a print-on-demand partner who can fulfill all your wedding merchandise needs, look no further than Awkward Styles. Just like a life partner, we're committed to giving you the best possible experience and making sure that your needs are always met. Check out our product catalog and explore all the possibilities we've got in store for you today. As always, thank you so much for watching and happy selling. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides to get you started selling with Awkward Styles. Is there something that we haven't covered yet? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.